Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Gluco Advanced Blood Sugar Support, a supplement that promises to do everything except your taxes and your laundry. It claims it can balance blood sugar, melt fat, sharpen your focus, and basically turn you into a superhero overnight. It sounds absolutely amazing, or perhaps just like a script from a late-night infomercial you'd regret watching at 3 a.m. People are naturally asking if this actually works, or if it's just high-priced hype. Let's start with the trust factor. The website proudly screams that the product is FDA approved and GMP certified, which sounds super professional until you realize they haven't provided a single scrap of proof. There are no documents, no certificates, and nothing you can actually verify. Apparently, we're just supposed to take their word for it, because surely a company selling miracle pills on the internet would never exaggerate the truth. Without real evidence, these claims are just clever marketing buzzwords designed to make you feel safe while you reach for your wallet. Then there are the aggressive sales tactics. They offer discounts of $780, which makes you wonder if they were originally planning to charge you the price of a used car for some vitamins. With #1 formula headlines and limited time pressure, they're pushing that by button harder than a toddler on a sugar high. Usually, when a company is this desperate for your credit card number, it's a massive red flag. The health claims are even more wild, suggesting this one bottle can fix your liver, your heart, your digestion, and your immunity all at once. If one pill could actually do all that, doctors would be out of a job and we'd all be living to 150. To top it off, those glowing customer reviews are a bit of a joke. A quick reverse image search reveals that their satisfied customers are actually stock photos used on dozens of other websites. It turns out Susan from Ohio is actually a very busy international model for generic health products. Ultimately, Gluco Advanced has more red flags than a parade. Between the unverified certifications, the aggressive sales pitch, and the suspicious reviews, this product is clearly fueled by hype rather than science. If you're serious about managing your blood sugar, talk to a real doctor instead of a website that thinks, "Trust me, bro," is a valid medical certification. Thanks so much for watching until the end. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest updates. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.